There's a feature in your car right now that car salesmen called the future when you sign the paperwork. 5 years later, the same feature is going to hand you a repair bill bigger than your monthly rent. And the worst part? Your mechanic might not even know how to fix it. I'm going to show you 10 of these features, some you use every single day without thinking. Number 1 on this list has been pulled from cars by major manufacturers because drivers literally couldn't figure out how to use it safely. Stick around, because if you're shopping for a car this year, this list could save you thousands. Number 10. Rear defroster grid. Let's start with something simple. Those thin lines printed on your rear windshield? Each one is a tiny heating wire bonded to the glass. Every time temperature swings hot to cold, that glass flexes. Those wires crack. And once enough of them break, you don't replace a wire, you replace the entire windshield. On most cars, that's a $400 job. On a car with an antenna or sensor built into the glass, it's well over $1,000. The fix? Don't scrape ice off your rear window with a metal blade. Ever. Number 9. Heated seats. Heated seats feel like luxury until the morning they stop working. The heating element is a resistor wire woven into the cushion foam. Every time you sit down, stand up, or shift around, that wire flexes. Years of that and it snaps, usually right under the driver's thigh, the most used spot in the car. Repair means pulling the seat out, stripping the cover, and replacing the element. $800 to $1,200 at a dealer. And here's the part most people miss. Most extended warranties classify heating elements as wear items, which means you're paying out of pocket no matter how new the car is. Number 8. Power lift gates. You walk up to the trunk with groceries in both hands, wave your foot under the bumper, and nothing. Power liftgates rely on electric struts, a motor, a latch, sensors, and a control module all bolted to the part of the car that gets slammed shut thousands of times. The struts are usually first to go. When they weaken, the gate either creeps down on its own or refuses to stay open. A pair of replacement struts runs $300 to $600 installed. A gas strut on a manual trunk, $40. You're paying 15 times more for the convenience of not lifting your arm. Number 7. 360-degree cameras. This one looks like magic when it works. 4 cameras stitched into one overhead view of your car. The problem is those cameras live in the bumper, the grille, and the side mirrors, the 4 most exposed spots on the entire vehicle. Hit a curb, get rear-ended in a parking lot, or even use the wrong car wash, and one camera fails. When that happens, the whole composite image breaks. And because the cameras are embedded into body panels, replacing one often means replacing the panel it's mounted in. Add calibration on top, and you're looking at $1,500 to fix a parking aid. Number 6. Advanced headlights. Advanced headlights pivot left and right with your steering wheel to light up corners before you turn into them. Brilliant engineering, until moisture gets past the housing seal and kills the motor. Now your headlight is frozen pointing at a hedge, and you can't just swap the bulb. The entire headlight assembly has to go. On a mid-range car, that's $800 to $2,000 per side. On a luxury SUV with LED matrix headlights, I've seen quotes north of $3,000 for one headlight. Number 5. Electronic gear shifter. This one has actually killed people. In 2016, Fiat Chrysler recalled over 1 million Jeeps and Chryslers because drivers were stepping out of cars that displayed park but were not actually in park. Electronic shifters cut the mechanical link between the lever and the transmission. Your shift is now a signal interpreted by a module. When that module gets confused, the car rolls. Beyond the safety issue, when an electronic shifter fails, you can't manually push the car into neutral. That means a tow truck, and that bill lands before the actual repair even starts. Number 4. Heated steering wheel. Same problem as heated seats, except worse. The heating wire is wrapped around the steering wheel rim, the most handled, most rotated, most flexed part of the entire interior. When it breaks, you can't just open the wheel up. federal law requires a certified technician to handle the airbag module behind it, so a snapped 20-cent wire turns into an airbag teardown, a steering wheel replacement, and a recalibration. Some drivers end up paying for an airbag diagnostic that wasn't even the problem, because mechanics misread the warning light. Number 3. Push-button start and keyless entry. You're getting 2 for 1 here, because they share the same vulnerability: relay theft. Criminals stand outside your house with a signal amplifier, boost your key fob through your wall, and your car thinks the fob is in their hand. They open the door, push the button, and drive away. The UK saw keyless theft account for the majority of car thefts at the peak of this trend. The fix is cheap. A Faraday pouch costs $10, but the manufacturers who sold you convenience didn't put that in the brochure. Number 2. Electronic parking brake. The old handbrake was a cable. Any mechanic in any town could fix it with a wrench. The electronic version replaces that cable with a motor built into each rear brake caliper. When that motor seizes, the caliper locks. You can't release it by hand. You can't release it without a specialized electronic tool that most independent shops don't own, which means the tow goes straight to the dealer and the dealer charges accordingly. $400 to $1,000 per side, and you usually need both. Number 1. Touchscreen climate controls. Here's the one that should actually scare you. In 2022, Swedish auto magazine V Bilagare ran a study comparing physical buttons to touchscreens in 11 cars. Adjusting the temperature with a touchscreen took up to 4 times longer than turning a knob. At 70 miles per hour, every extra second your eyes leave the road equals roughly 100 feet of driving completely blind. And when the touchscreen fails, which they do, often in cold weather, every single climate function, every fan setting, and on many cars, even the heated seats and defroster become inaccessible. One component dies, half your car dies with it. Euro NCAP announced that starting in 2026, cars will lose safety points for hiding basic controls behind touchscreens. The industry knows. They're already walking it back. So, how many of these are already sitting in your driveway? Drop a comment below telling me which one's bitten you. And hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the 5 features you actually should be paying for. Drive safe.